Hi, today I'm going to show you how an app called Panda Free Antivirus works. Panda Free Antivirus is a very simple to use anti-malware app that uses cloud technology to quickly find and prevent trojans, worms, viruses, spyware, adware and other forms of malicious activities, without sacrificing PC performance. The antivirus provides real-time protection against various types of threats. The statistics show the total files scanned and quarantined, along with the threats blocked. Users can access the scanning module, monitor active processes for suspicious activity, deflect USB-based virus attacks, and create an emergency boot USB drive in case the PC refuses to boot. Panda Free Antivirus can perform a comprehensive check on your computer for malware agents, check only the most popular hidden areas in critical scan mode, examine only specific directories and drives, as well as quickly scan selected files, folders and drives via the context menu of Windows Explorer. My tests revealed that Panda Free Antivirus does an excellent job when it comes to identifying infected files while remaining light on system resources. See you next video, and now some music.